Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. I'm back with another tutorial. Let's get started. I'm gonna make you create a secret folder on your desktop and hide it. So the first step you need is create a new folder. And rename it using the Alt button. You have to constantly click on the Alt button and enter 255 from the keypad and hit enter. Now you have to customize the icon by clicking here and going to properties and click on customize, change icon. Now select a invisible icon here. Okay, apply. Okay, now done that you have an invisible folder out there. You can store anything, but you can just identify by clicking out like this. You can store anything as usual as a folder it is, and that's it. But I have another trick for you too. You have to make your desktop clean and neat look. So you have a right shortcut here. Click on right click and go to view and show desktop icons, and you will be seeing a clean desktop and a clear one. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates.